Hi and welcome to another session of Accountancy for the 12th Standard with me, Vishwanath sir. Today I shall continue the chapter of admission forward and explain yet another sum with certain adjustments, because the main aim of solving an admission sum, which is usually a 8 marker in the board exams, would be gauging at how you solve the adjustments correctly. Okay, so you have to be adept with the adjustments and see to it that the adjustments are done properly. And again, I serve you a reminder that CBSE has slightly altered the portion in due to this pandemic situation which is prevailing, and the part where the partners' capital accounts have to be adjusted is deleted from the portion for this particular year. Okay, so we shall do the sums up to that particular part only if we encounter any sums like that. Okay, because we are in a process that we should practice and we should be the best. Only practice can see to it that you can become better doing this sums. Okay, so I start with a new sum, and there are two partners A and B, and they are going to admit the third partner, who is C. Okay, so as usual, my first request to you all is prepare the following. Prepare the following. What are you going to prepare? Number one, you're going to prepare the revaluation account. You're going to prepare the revaluation account. Number two, you're going to prepare the partners' capital account. Number three, you shall prepare the cash/bank account. Number four, you shall prepare the goodwill account. And number five, you shall prepare the revised balance sheet. Okay. So this is your step number one. As usual, these four are accounts, while this is a statement. This is a financial statement. Okay, so this is where you're going to see to it that you solve this sum in a particular way. So you are going to prepare these five accounts, and the next step is to enter the balances which we have got in the old balance sheet. Here you will enter partners' capital account as by balance brought down. Why? Because it has got a credit balance, it's in a liability. While as cash bank you will write to balance brought down. Okay, partners' capital A and B have got a balance of 30,000 and 25,000, while as your cash bank balance is 2,000, which you will put it as to balance brought down 2,000 on the debit side of your cash bank account. Okay, so this is the first thing which you are going to do. Next, let's see if there is anything else which is to be put from the balance sheet. Yes, we can see the general reserve which is there. General reserve has to be distributed amongst the old partners. Okay, the general reserve which is given in the sum is 5,000. Okay, this general reserve which is given in the sum is rupees 5,000. So this will have to be distributed between A and B in the ratio 3:2. Okay, the old ratio, whichever is given to you. So 3/5, that would be 3,000 will go to A and 2,000 will go to B. So in your partner's capital account you will write by general reserve, and in the columns of A and B you shall put 3000 and 2000 respectively. Okay, this general reserve is only for the old partners because they have built up the business. Okay, they have built up the business, that's why it will go to them only. Okay, जैसे आप यहाँ पर देखोगे आपके जो पुराना बैलेंस शीट में आपका जनरल रिजर्व का अमाउंट 5000 दिया है और जो रेशियो दिया है वो 3:2 है, तो आप जो 5000 है ए और बी के बीच में 3000 और 2000 डिवाइड करोगे और आपका जो पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट है वो क्रेडिट साइड में आप डालोगे बाय जनरल रिजर्व. Okay, so as far as we are concerned, we have finished entering whatever we wanted from the balance sheet. That is your cash balance, your partner's capital account, and the transfer to the partner's capital general reserve. Okay, now let us take up the entries. C agrees to do the business on the following terms. He will bring 20,000 as capital. Okay, so what is B doing? He is going to bring 20,000 as capital. Okay, so for the firm the money is coming in. Okay, so it is cash account debit to C's capital. Okay, it is cash account debit to C's capital account, that is 20,000 and 20,000. Okay, so what will you do? You will go to cash account and you will write to C's capital. Okay, and you will go to the partner's capital account and you will write by cash, and in C's column you shall write the amount of 20,000. Okay, is this clear? Fine. तो जैसे आप देखोगे जो नया पार्टनर सी है वो 20,000 कैपिटल बिजनेस के अंदर लेके आने वाला है और लेके आ गया है, और जो एंट्री है वो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू सीज कैपिटल है. कैश अकाउंट में आप जाके लिखोगे टू सीज कैपिटल, और सीज जो पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट है वहां पर जाके आप लिखोगे बाय कैश, और सी के कॉलम में आप 20,000 लिख दोगे. ओके, दैट फिनिशेस विथ योर entry for capital. Now let's check if there is any goodwill. Okay, so this is your these are your entries for capital. Now he is going to bring goodwill 20,000. Okay, not 20,000. Capital was 20,000. Goodwill was 10,000. And they have given the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, they have given the new profit sharing ratio. The new profit sharing ratio is 2:1:1, whereas the old ratio was 3:2. Okay, so which means that ये सम में आपको sacrifice ratio calculate करना पड़ेगा. Fine. So what is the goodwill amount is how much? 10,000 rupees. 10,000. So the entry for that will be cash account debit to goodwill, that will be 10,000 and 10,000. Now this goodwill will be transferred to the partner's capital account, goodwill account debit to A's capital to B's capital. Okay, now this has to be done in the sacrifice ratio. Which ratio? This has to be done in the sacrifice ratio. Fine. So it is necessary that we find the sacrifice ratio. Okay, goodwill amount will remain as 10,000 only. How do you calculate your sacrifice ratio? Sacrifice ratio will be old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio minus new ratio. For A, the old ratio was 3/5. For B, it is 2/5. Okay, and the new ratio is 2/4, while as for B it is 1/4. Fine. So for A it is 3/5 minus 2/4. Okay, the LCM is 20. So it is 2 by 20. For B, it is 2 by 5 minus 1 by 4. LCM is 20. 4 times 5 times. So this is 3 by 20. So the sacrifice ratio is 2:3. So you shall divide this ratio in 2 by 3. So 2 by 5 of 10,000. 2 by 5 of 10,000. That is 4,000 and 6,000. Okay. So the sacrifice ratio which we found is 2:3. ओके जैसे आप यहाँ पर देखोगे यहाँ पर देखोगे कि ए और बी का सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो हमको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा और जब हम कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं हमको फिगर 2:3 का आंसर मिल रहा है। सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो का फॉर्मूला है ओल्ड रेशियो माइनस न्यू रेशियो। ओल्ड रेशियो ए का 3/5 है, न्यू रेशियो 2/4 है। यहाँ पर B का जो है 2/5 है, जो नया रेशियो है 1/4 है। आपको ये आंसर मिल रहा है। यू आर गेटिंग दिस आंसर ऑफ 2/20 एंड 3/20. सो द सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो इज 2:3. सो वी शैल डिवाइड दिस 10,000 in the amount of 2:3. Okay, so that finishes off with the goodwill aspect. Fine, and we go ahead from here to the other adjustments whichever is there in the balance sheet. Okay, now let us take up the next adjustment. Plant and machinery to be reduced to 22,000. Okay, plant and machinery का जो पुराना वैल्यू है वो 25,000 है. Okay, plant and machinery जो पुराना वैल्यू है वो 25,000 है. Now we have to do something and get the value to 22,000, which means I'll have to minus depreciation of 3,000. Okay, I'll have to minus the depreciation of 3,000, then I shall get the value of 22,000 here. Okay, so what do I do here? यहाँ पर मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, जो प्लांट एंड मशीनरी का जो वैल्यू है वो 25,000 है और जो नया वैल्यू है वो 22,000 है. जो 22,000 के लिए 25,000 से हम लोग को 3,000 लेस करना पड़ेगा, कम करना पड़ेगा, और ये जो वैल्यू कम हो रहा है वो डेप्रिसिएशन है. सो आपका जो रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट है आप डेबिट साइड पे डाल दोगे. यू विल पुट इट ऑन द डेबिट साइड ऑफ रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट एज 2 plant and machinery 3,000. Why? It's a loss. Value of the asset is falling down or the value of the liability is rising. In case of the value of the asset falling down or the value of the liability rising, we put it on the debit side of your revaluation account. Okay, fine. So that is plant and machinery. They have told stock is to be reduced by 2,000. Almost a similar type of adjustment. Okay, we see the value of stock in the sum is given as 19,000. Okay, the value of stock which is given in the sum is 19,000. Stock का जो value दिया गया है sum में 19,000 है. Okay, अभी we have to reduce this by 2,000. Okay, this is a fall in value. Fall in value of stock. Fall in value is 2,000. Okay, so it is 17,000. Okay, आपका जो नया फिगर है वो 17,000 है. आप क्या करोगे, रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट में आप चले जाओगे. रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, इट इज अ लॉस फॉर अस. व्हाई इट इज अ लॉस फॉर अस? इट इज अ लॉस फॉर अस सिंस द वैल्यू ऑफ द एसेट इज फॉलिंग डाउन. सो यू राइट इट एज 2 stock 2,000. Okay, the same value which you have minus you are going to put. So the two effects are given in your sum. Okay, fine. So this is your adjustment for stock. Let us see the other adjustments. Okay, They have also told that a provision of 6% is to be provided on the provision for doubtful debts. The value of debtors is given like this in the sum. It is given as debtors is 20,000 minus provision 1,000. So debtors is given as 19,000 in the sum. Okay, this is what is given in the balance sheet. Okay, now it is given in the adjustment. We have to provide 6% on debtors. So we do this sum again. I write here debtors 20,000 or 20,000 minus the provision. The provision is 6%. 6% means 1,200, which means that the value is now 18,800. Okay, your old value was 19,000. आपका जो पुराना वैल्यू है वो 19,000 था और जो नया वैल्यू है वो 18,800 है. तो what shall you do in this case? Okay, the value has fallen down, so you shall put it on the debit side of your revaluation account. This is your revaluation account. You shall put it on the debit side as to provision. 200 rupees. Okay, provision for bad debts or doubtful debts. Fine. With this, you have finished with the adjustments. So what am I going to do? First step is balance your evaluation account. After balancing your evaluation account, you will transfer the profit or loss to your partner's capital account. Okay, old partners, old ratio. Okay, old ratio is 3:2. Okay, close your partner's capital account and transfer the balance to the balance sheet in the liability side. Okay, then close your cash bank account and transfer it to the assets. Goodwill account is already closed. Balance your balance sheet. That is the end of the sum. Please do this sum for assignment, sum for homework. Thank you so much. This is Vishwanath sir signing off.